In this Star Shower Ultra 9 review, I will be going through my experience using these indoor and outdoor Christmas lights. If you're wondering if these popular lights would be a good investment this Christmas, or if they are nothing but hype, then stick around as I will go through the good and bad aspects of this device. But if you have already made up your mind about getting Star Shower Ultra 9 laser lights, and you just came to this video to get them at the special discounted price, then at any time simply click the link in the description. Okay, let's get straight into the pros of this device. User-friendly setup. Setting up the Star Shower Ultra 9 is incredibly straightforward. With this product, you only need to plug it in, place it where you want, and turn it on. So within minutes, the entire area, whether that is your house, a wall, a tree, or indoor area, is illuminated with festive lights. In the past, with other outdoor Christmas lights, I've struggled with tangled cords and messed around for hours trying to assemble them. But with these, there aren't any of these issues, and you won't have to climb ladders to assemble them or deal with burnt out bulbs. Wide coverage area. The Star Shower Ultra 9 can cover up to 3,200 square feet, which means it's ideal for large houses or spaces with big front yards. I've found that with one unit, I could easily light up the entire front of my house, and with additional units, I can extend the display to other parts of my property. This extensive coverage is something I really like about this device. Variety of light patterns. One standout feature of the Star Shower Ultra 9 is its variety of patterns. It offers 9 different combinations of red and green lights in static, blinking, and moving modes. I found that changing up the pattern each night added an extra layer of excitement and spontaneity to the display. Indoor and outdoor use. What's great about the Star Shower Ultra 9 is its versatility for indoor and outdoor displays. With a simple setup adjustment to the base, it can be used indoors to create a holiday atmosphere for parties or special events, projecting the lights onto walls or ceilings. Okay, let's check out the cons of this product. Limited color options. The Star Shower Ultra 9 only offers red and green lights, which may not satisfy those who prefer multicolored holiday displays. While these colors fit traditional Christmas themes, if you're looking for more color options, then you will be disappointed with this product. Power outlet dependency. This product requires a nearby outlet for power, which might limit placement options in some outdoor spaces. If you're looking to position it far from the house or in areas without easy access to an outlet, you'll need an extension cord or a portable power source, which could be a reason not to get this. Overall, the Star Shower Ultra 9 is a very solid lighting device that is perfect for the Christmas season. Its user-friendly design makes decorating quick and straightforward. With 9 customizable light patterns, it adds versatility and creativity to any space. The device's weather-resistant build ensures reliable performance throughout the winter season, and its compact and portable design saves valuable storage space, making it a practical choice for holiday decorating. Now, if you want to get Star Shower Ultra 9 at the cheapest possible price, then click the link below this YouTube video in the description and you will be taken to the best place to purchase it. Or you can instead type the following URL into your browser, habitcast.com/star. I hope you enjoyed this Star Shower Ultra 9 review, and thanks again for watching.